No excuse with me. Timothy! That wasn't me, that was Lucinda. Swear to God, darling, that was not me. That was Lucinda. If it was me, you would have spilled it. Hi! Hi, Diane. All right, Diane? Yeah, I'm all right. Those goddamn cigarettes. I'll be all right. It's just those goddamn cigarettes. That's all. Here we go again. I'm sorry. It's all right. You all right? Yeah, I'm having a coughing fit. I'll be all right. Diane, I'm not giving you no more cigarettes if you're having a coughing fit. I'm all right. I'm all right. I don't need a cigarette. Look like you're already there on your deathbed. What did you say? Nothing. I had you. Swear to God, I'll smack your ass. All right. Diane, you're all right. Yeah, I'm all right. I can't stop coughing today. Those goddamn cigarettes. Then stop smoking. Then stop smoking. I can't. It's those cigarettes. I have a problem, all right? I have a cigarette problem. Do you have Zoe? Yes, I do. You never get her? No. She's right here. You see her? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Find Chrissy's up. Like, no one sneezed yet. Mm-hmm. My coughing fit continues. Well, I'm gonna go home and have my coughing fit. Well, bye. Bye, Diane. Here I go again. Diane. What? You need to take care. I need to take care of what? Don't ask me about my health. I'm not asking about your health. I'm getting really worried about you, Diane. All you do is hack and cough, and I'm getting nervous. It's just those cigarettes. And stop smoking, darling. I'm really worried about your health. My health? I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. Oh, yeah, do it. I'm just having my daily coughing fit. That's all. All right. I'm not going to smoke until later. Where am I? I'm going to smoke a cigarette. That woman doesn't need to smoke anymore. I'm worried about her health. Me too. I think we all worry about Diane's health. Oh, Elizabeth, that one was me. You smell it? Oh, God, Timothy! I'm sorry, I had to go. Diana, you smoking again? No, I just had a cough. You were doing that for the past 2 hours. Sorry, I'm in one of my daily coughing fits. Sabrina, don't even think about it. Hit you! Ah! There goes Chrissy. Seriously, I'm sorry. Hello. Hi, JJ. Look like my mother passed out again. Yep. My Aunt Sabrina sneezed. She did? Mm-hmm. Diana, stop! I'm sorry, those cigarettes! Then stop smoking! Shut up! Hi, Austin. Hello. Oh, I smell marijuana. I smell marijuana, Elizabeth. That's him. Oh, is that guy? I gotta poop. Now? Not a few minutes. All right. I want that shirt, baby. You're not getting it. Why? I said yesterday and a couple days ago, you're not getting the shirt. You make it too hot. Whatever. Hi. I'm excited to meet your grandmother. You're excited to meet my crazy grandmother? You know, it's my mom's stepmom. Why? Long story. Have you read the book? I think I have. Okay, then. You know the reason why. That's my mom's stepmom who raised her. Who adopted her. You're excited to meet my crazy grandmother Maggie? She's crazy. She is? Yes. She's crazy. How crazy? Severely crazy, Harry. Severely. Oh, exactly. Don't be excited to meet her. Hi, Brian. Hi. Oh, Elizabeth, I gotta poop in an hour. All right. Hi. Hi. I love you. I love you too. I want to tell my parents that I'm leaving, okay? Okay. Mom, Dad, I'm leaving. Okay. Have fun. Diana, I'm sorry, it's my daily coughing fit. Diana, stop that. You're making me nervous. I'm sorry. Hey. Hey. I heard your grandmother's coming next week. Yeah. Yup. My grandmother. I get to meet her? Yup. Don't worry, she's kind of a little bit of out there. What do you mean by that? You don't want to know. Oh, God. I'm sorry, young man. I had to go. Hey, what's up? Elizabeth, I gotta go. I gotta poop. It's coming. All right. You changed me. You pooped yourself? No, I did not poop myself. Elizabeth, can you wipe my ass? Yeah. All right. Oh my God, that one was me. I better go. Who's sitting there? Making fast enough to the bathroom over there? Noah. Diana, I'm sorry. Mom, Mexican? Yeah. Oh, yeah, Mexican. What do you say, Noah? Was that me? No, that was Lucinda, Timothy. Oh, all right. Lucinda's not even here. She's on the toilet. Oh. Thank you, Elizabeth, for wiping my ears. No problem. Was that me? No, that was Lucinda. Oh, all right. What? Why'd you throw away my Speedo? Oh, God, you already know the answer, Timothy. I'm not asking you. You're not asking me again. I told you why I threw it away. Oh, because it had poop stains in it. Exactly. Oh, all right. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, I'm so sweaty. All right, that one was me. Oh, Timothy! I'm sorry, I had to go. What do you want me to do? Keep it in? Yes, I can't. Oh, Elizabeth, I might wet myself in an hour. All right. You know I can't make that to the bathroom. Bye, I love you. Love you too. Come on, bird legs. I'm coming. I love you. Love you too. Bye, Victoria. Bye. Diane, is that necessary? I'm sorry. Ready to go, ladies? Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi, Liam. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Liliana. If that Bridget don't come, she's a lunatic. Oh, she's definitely gonna come if Liam's here. Why is she so obsessed with you, Dad? I don't know. All right, y'all. Come on. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go, animals. Come on. Come on. We'll go there in a minute, y'all. Can you bring Zoe? You forgot her again? Babe, I'm so under stress. About what? Gorgeous. My grandmother. Your grandmother? You're still worried about that? Yes. Look, your grandma can't scare you anymore. You're married. I know I'm married. To me. I know. She's gonna be mad at me. Mad at what? Samantha. You're a grown woman. You're married. I know I'm married. Having a baby. You're married. She can't say anything. You're married. She can't say anything to you anymore. What is your grandmother's full name? Why do you want to know? I just want to know. Margaret. Margaret. Margaret Olivia Strode. So that's how you got... Yes. That's how I got my middle name. My grandmother. My middle name, I'm named after my grandmother. Like, Avery. She's named after my grandmother, Liz. She has Elizabeth. She has Liz after my grandmother.
And I have the Olivia from my mom's mom. Stepmom, I should say. I love you. I love you too. Can you bring Zoe? Yes, gorgeous, I can bring Zoe. I know you're under stress about your grandmother coming. Don't worry about it. She can't say anything to you. I know. You crying? No. Samantha, I know you're crying. You just scrunched your nose. Okay, I'm crying. I'm a little upset about it. Why don't want her to come? I don't know. She still scares you? A little bit. Now I think now she's gonna haunt for, like... Well, she's gonna know that you're married. Your mom didn't tell her. No. She doesn't know I have a baby. That she has a great-granddaughter. She doesn't know that. And she doesn't know about other things. But I think I know one person that she's gonna scare the bejesus out of is Rodell. Why? Why are you saying that? Because Rodell's a virgin. I know that. And she's literally gonna scare her not to have sex. Like to, not to do it until she's married. And Hadley, she's gonna scare her. And Heather. Heather, her sister, already scares her. Oh, Heather don't have a boyfriend. Obviously, she never did have a boyfriend. But in due time, Heather can have a boyfriend. What is her granddaughter, her great-granddaughter. Because my Uncle Michael had her with his wife, so that's her great-granddaughter. Who? Heather. She's my cousin. That's her great-granddaughter. Oh, okay, now I'm getting you. Ta-ta. You forgot Heather's my cousin? No, I haven't forgot that. I love you. Let me tell. I'll bring Zoe, okay, gorgeous? Don't worry about your grandmother. I'm not going to save the other people that she's going to scare to death. Obviously. And Liliana's not a virgin. Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah, you're right. But she's going to scare a lot of people. Don't worry about it. Calm down, okay? No more crying. I'm not crying, Samantha. Straight up liar. Who called you a liar? Zane? Because you were crying a little bit today. Samantha, why are you so worried? Grandma, she's not going to hurt you. She can't scare you anymore. I love you. Don't worry about your grandmother. I'm not. Love you. Love you too, gorgeous. Oh my God. You still crying? No, leave me alone. Okay. I love you. Love you. I love you, babe. Love you too, gorgeous. All right, y'all. Come on. Let's go. No animal shenanigans today, y'all. I'm not in the mood for them. Come on. Come on. Where's Wilbur, y'all? Oh, come on. Wilbur, you're left behind. You gotta go, Neil. Come on. Hi, y'all. Hi, Bridget. How are you? We're doing great. That's great, y'all. Wilbur. Hi. Liam, darling, how are you? How are you, Muffin? How are you, darling? How are you, baby? I'm all right. Oh, that's great, y'all. Liam, I haven't told you that I love you. Yeah. Oh, that I'm your girlfriend? Bridget, get off me. For 1,000 times, you are not my girlfriend. Ow, why not? I have a girlfriend. Oh, Bailey, y'all. Yes, Bailey. And I have a daughter. Oh, Liliana, I forgot about her. Well, I'm very, very sorry that you don't like me. Bridget, I never said I didn't like you, but I'm not your boyfriend. Ow. Ow. You sure? Bridget, stop hitting on my boyfriend. Ow. He doesn't like you that way. I know that. I'm very, very sorry, y'all. Come on, guys. No shenanigans. The pig follows the donkey. Then the little piggies follow their mama. The little piglets follow their mama. And the cow's always the last one behind. Why are you laughing like that? I'm sorry, it's in my throat. Diana, I'm sorry. Well, where's Lucinda, y'all? In the bathroom. Ow. Alright, I'm doing one. Fresh, please. Ma, you want to have a fresh, please? You put clothes on. Shoot up. I don't want to wear clothes. I'm very sorry there. Oh, excuse me. Well, I guess I'll be going. Well, bye, y'all. Wait a minute. What's going on? Nothing, Bridget. You're just here. Ow. What's that horrible smell? Don't look at me. Oh, it's probably my perfume. No, it's not your perfume. It's your animals. You're carrying their odor. I know. Which one? Stinky. Oh, yeah. We're best friends. You know that. Niall, the pig's in here again. Oh, this pig. Niall, you have a pig on you. Oh, Bridget! Come and get your pig off my husband. Oh, God, here we go again. I'm sorry. Come on, Daisy. I know now it's good looking, but he's taken. Come on. I'm very, very sorry. That my farm animal shenanigans continue once again. Bridget, when they're not continuing. When or not your farm animal shenanigans continue all over. I thought it. Y'all.
Niall, Francesca, I'm very, very sorry about my pig's behavior. It's all right. It's all right, Bridget, love. It's all right. I'm very, very sorry. They're animals. I can't control them. They don't listen, y'all. Even when I scold them, they don't listen. I'm very, very sorry. It's all right, Bridget. That's all right. As long as you guys are understanding, y'all. Well, I better be going now. You all come back now you're here. Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. Bye. Well, bye, y'all. You all come back now you're here. Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. Bye. Y'all have a great day now. Come on, animals, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. There we go, y'all. Daisy, better stop your shenanigans there. Can we go now? Mom, can we leave? Yeah, we can leave. Why is she so annoying? I don't know. Why didn't you ask her? Mom, when you ask Bridget something, you get a stupid answer. Mom, have you ever noticed when you ask Bridget a question, you get a stupid answer? Yeah. Okay, then. I'm not asking that girl anything. Hey, bye. I love you. Brian. I love you. I love you too. Look. Hi, Dad. How's the funeral planning going? Madison Daphne Horn. I am not planning my funeral. I'm joking with you, Dad. Daddy, I'm just joking with you. Babe, come on. Your dad has enough torture with that. Stop it, all right? All right, I love you. Look, Madison, you gotta stop saying this, all right? I'm just kidding with you, Dad. It's just a joke. Daddy, it's just a joke. You know I adore you, right? Yeah. Okay, then. It's just a joke, love. It's just a joke. Diana, I'm sorry. Daily coughing. Hi, Dad. How's your feeling? We're planning. Come on. Who's teaching you this, Madison? Rodell Natalie Horn. I am not planning my funeral. Why are you teaching your sister this, Madison? I'm sorry. Dad, it's just a joke. It's an honest joke. Madison, just go to your room. I love you, Dad. I love you too, love, but stop. Okay. Bye, Mom. Bye, baby. You really need to stop torturing your father with that. Okay, I will. God. Honestly, she has to stop. All these girls have to stop. Babe.
Look, it's just a mild joke that they tell each other, you know? Yeah, but they can't say that to me. I'm their own father. I'm their own dad. Niall, it's okay. I love you. I love you too. So you have me and Bridget's pig, Daisy. No, I do not. I don't go out with pigs. Me love, I don't go out with pigs. I go out with gorgeous French girls meeting you. I know you do. There you go, with that gorgeous snort you do. Oh, you like it? Yeah, it's cute coming from you. It is? Yeah. Extremely cute. Me love. Me love. What? I love you. I love you too. Well, bye. Bye. My mother's passed out still. Uh-huh. Love you. Love you too. Samantha, are you so freaking out by Grandma Maggie? Of course I am. How you be looking forward to meeting her? She's crazy, Harry. Why you call your grandmother crazy? She is. She scares everybody. Harry, once you meet her, you can say she's scary. I love you. I love you too. Harry said he's very excited to meet Grandma. Excited to meet that crazy woman? That's what I said to him. Okay, she's not crazy, but she's just weird sometimes. Want that shirt, baby? You're not getting it. So stop asking. I love you. I love you too. Thank you for, everything. No problem. You high? Uh-huh. Extremely. I love you. Love you too. Hi, guys. Are you high? Yeah, a little bit. You can't get high when Grandma's here. I know. She'll say something. Honestly, do you think I care? No. Oh, Elizabeth. What? I'm so hooked. You're changing my diaper. Oh, God, here we go. Me love, stop laughing. Me love, stop laughing. It's funny. Elizabeth, I'm wet. All right, I'm being there in a minute. I don't walk that fast. They need a walker. Shut up! Shut up, Timothy. All right. I don't mean what I said. Elizabeth, can you change me? I'm soaking wet. All right, I'll freaking change you. Stop it. I'll leave you in the wet diaper. No. I can get a diaper rash. All right, I'll change you for Pete's sake. Tim, I'm not saying this to be rude or anything, but how did your father get like that? I don't know, Jamie. I do not know. It was with his old age. He's 80-something years old, and if I ever get like that, please put me in a nursing home. Why you say that, Tim? Just put me in a nursing home, Jamie. No answers. No answers to be asked. All right. Thank God I don't have a husband. But Louie, darling, didn't you murder your two husbands? I did not. Why you keep asking me that, Lucinda? My other husband got into a car accident. My second husband got poisoned by a mysterious one of his workers. Sure. If I killed my two husbands, I'll be bragging about it, and plus I'll be in jail for it. So you never killed your two husbands. I never did. People have been bothering me that for years. I did not kill my two husbands. If I did, I'll be bragging about it. Sure, Lucinda, she will be. Yeah, Lucinda, she'll definitely be bragging about it if she done it. I'm not. I believe ya. Excuse me. Oh, thank you, Elizabeth. I'm nice and cozy and dry. I feel bad. I feel nice and fresh. Nice and fresh diaper. Should have left you in the wet diaper. What did you say? What did you say, darling? Nothing. Elizabeth. Excuse me. Oh, God! Oh, I'm sorry. I had to go. Oh, God. Was that me? Yes, that was you! Oh, I'm sorry. I had to go. It's the gas and plus the breaks that Diane made. And those antibiotics. How's my pee? Red. Oh, I'm sorry. The antibiotics haven't kicked in yet. I got any more antibiotics from the doctor? No. Alright, it's my last dose. Yeah. Alright. But your doctor said the infection doesn't get better. You might have to take more. The next day after. It'll give you another dose. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Antibiotics and the breakfast that Diane made. Or the lunch. I hope she doesn't make tuna. God, here we go. Elizabeth. What? Now? What do you want now? Why'd you throw away my Speedo? I already told you, because that stains in it. Had poop stains in it. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Okay, guys, that was Tim and Jamie. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have already done so. For once again, I'm Tim. And I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Dad, every time! I'm sorry, son. For once again, I'm Tim. And I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have already done so. Don't forget to press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. For once again, I'm Jamie. And I'm Tim. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.